Hey guys, what's up? I have just learned this really cool hack. So you've got to know someone that you've got to find someone that has a lot of animations and is probably VIP. Or in other cases, you could just use Pixie Star. So you're gonna go on Movie Town, movies, like movie. I'm gonna go ahead and add Pixie Star. Right, she can't be next to you. If you look, I barely have any animations. And then have a look at his, guys. She's got that. And what have I got? So yeah, I've only got those. So you're just gonna go onto her stuff and see which one you want. You know, I haven't got those, so you're just gonna drag yourself to one of those. Okay, 1 second. I literally found this out myself, so don't go hate in the comments because I found it out. There we go. So yeah, you can use her animations. It's so cool. Okay. These aren't mine. If you want to see mine, I'll even prove it. We should be on basic. Those ain't hers. So that is pretty good. It's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, leave a thumbs up. Bye bye.